Welcome to Mecabricks. I'm going to show you just the very basics of this. So this is a program that allows you to move around in three-dimensional space. You can just click and drag and move around. On a Chromebook, if you two-finger drag, you can actually move like this, and then you can scroll in and out. So you have a wide range of movements. Let's go ahead and add a brick. You can simply go to your bricks. You can click on one and it will show up in your screen. I recommend that you do not click on it and move it because you may find that it moves in some crazy way. I suggest that you move everything every time by clicking on these little arrows and then moving it along one axis at a time. So as you can see, red is the x-axis, green is the y-axis. So like in math class, when you look at a chart, you may know that, up and down is like Y and left and right is X. Well, in 3D, we have this other axis, this blue axis, and it's Z. So we have X, Y, and Z. And by moving them, we can move this object virtually anywhere, as you can see. To create another object, again, we simply click on one of the bricks down here and it shows up. We can click on it and then click a color if we want to change its color. As you can see, there we go. Now we have two different colors. If you want to duplicate a brick or simply make it again, you click on it and then hit the letter D on your keyboard. D is in dog. You click it and then you can move it out and you have a duplicate. I can hit D again and move it out. Now I have a duplicate again. D, move it out. I have a duplicate. I can move it along this way or however I want to move it. So this is a nice, easy way to make duplicate objects. Now, what if I have something big and fancy and I want to actually duplicate lots of parts all at the same time? Well, you may want to hit the W, and then you have different options of what to select. So let's say I want to select all of a certain color. I then select an object, and it will select all of these orange ones. They're now all selected. Or maybe I want to select area. So you hit W to get this up, right? So I hit W, and I'm going to select area, and now I can click and drag a box, and it will move everything that I highlighted with that box. Now you may want to rotate these sometimes. To rotate one of these, you click on it, and you use the arrow keys on your keyboard, and you can rotate it. I highly recommend that you do not rotate anything to that 45-degree angle. Lego stuff is just not designed to be 45 degrees, and it can get really tricky. To delete something, by the way, you simply click on it and hit delete. Now it's gone. And you can make some really cool stuff. You can find different kinds of bricks down here. You can actually click over here and find different particular kinds. They even have minifigures, so you can make yourself, which is always kind of fun. That's it. Good luck.